Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and this is my channel. I film college vlogs and lifestyle content basically, so if you're into that, make sure and hit the subscribe button down below. So I'm currently in my car, as you can see, ready to go to class. It's currently 8:48. My class starts at 10, but it's like 30 minutes to 40 minutes away depending on the weather and the roads and stuff. Should be fine right now. It's just kind of rainy, if you guys can see. It's just kind of rainy. I have a pretty extensive to-do list today, but most of it I won't do until after my biology class this morning, which goes from 10 a.m. until 11:50. But I have a lot of homework for my online medical terminology class, so I'm going to come home after class and do a lot of computer work and reading and homework. Basically, all you need to know is I'm on my way to class right now, so I'm gonna be driving, and if I have time, I'll update you guys when I get there. Oh, and in case you guys are curious, these sunglasses, if you notice them at all, these are from the brand Elle. I got them at Kohl's. This necklace is from Princess Polly. It just says baby. I honestly wear it all the time. This sweater is from Boohoo. This belt, this is like a weird angle. This belt is also from Boohoo, and these jeans are from Maurice's. I just got to campus. I'm currently heading into class right now. I'm in the parking lot, as you can see, and I put this raincoat on. It's not raining right now, but in case it rains when I'm coming out of class, I want to have this hood available to cover up my hair. It's like in a bun. I just don't want it to get all messed up. So it is currently 1 o'clock. I just got back. As you guys can see, I am going to be taking a quick lunch break. I just made salad. All that's in here is romaine lettuce, some tofu scramble with seasonings, and then these soy-based like veggie dogs. Pretty simple, but it gives me protein and the greens and stuff. So besides the point, yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick lunch break and then I'm gonna get to doing my homework. Yeah, let's just get to it, I guess. I don't even know where I put my phone. Hey guys, so it is currently Tuesday, what is it today actually? It's the 1st, September 1st. And I have spent the entire morning working on my online class, mostly trying to like find stuff. I've had to email my professor a couple times already, which is slightly annoying, but it's fine. It's currently 11:51, so I just made another salad, kind of like the one I showed you guys yesterday. Just has romaine lettuce, scrambled up tofu, these like veggie dogs that are made with predominantly tofu, and then I use like French fried onions to sprinkle on top because it adds a little crunch and a little flavor. And personally, I feel that that's a better addition to a salad than like croutons. I don't know. Is that controversial? I don't know. So yeah, I've been working since like 7:30 or 8 this morning. I can't even remember the exact time. It's almost noon. So I'm going to be taking a lunch break with my salad, as you can see. I'm just gonna watch some videos. Brooke Michio just uploaded a video almost an hour ago, so I'm probably gonna watch that. I'll check back in with you guys later. It's been a very productive like study day thus far. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get everything in my to-do list for today done though, because like I was gonna edit and schedule a video to go up tomorrow because I have a vlog filmed. I actually have 2 vlogs filmed right now. I just have not had time to sit down and edit them because I've been so busy trying to catch up with schoolwork after the hectic first week that I had last week. So we'll see when that gets up. It's on my to-do list. Like, now I'm talking too much. I'm just gonna watch some videos and eat my salad, and then we'll update you later. currently about 2:30. I just realized my door's open. I'm gonna close that. Like I was saying, it's about 2:30 and I have made the decision that I am not going to go to town today. I was originally gonna go to Target to pick up some additional face masks because I only have 3 right now, like reusable face masks, and I have to wear them at my job. I have to wear them when I go to class and anytime I go out in public. Obviously there's a mask mandate here in Minnesota, and it's just important to wear a face mask honestly during these times. But like I said, I only have 3, and when you have reusable face masks, you're supposed to wash them after every use for sanitary reasons. Also, they can cause acne, and I have enough problems with acne on my chin. I don't need the problems to be caused by mask wearing. Besides the point, I've decided not to go. I was also gonna pick up some groceries, and I was gonna change my availability at work because my manager keeps scheduling me kind of wrong, which I can sympathize with that and understand because it's back to school season, and a lot of kids who work at the store, at the grocery store I work at, probably have told them different availability schedules. They probably just got it mixed up. But anyway, yeah, I was gonna go there, change my availability, and I was gonna pick up groceries and get face masks. But I've called that off because I really would like to spend time tonight editing videos, getting caught up on that so I can get those up for you guys. Basically, that was my really long way of explaining that I'm not going to town anymore, and I'm gonna stay here and just edit videos downstairs while my sister's watching. I don't even know what she's watching. She's using the TV. So I'm just gonna go downstairs with my headphones and edit some content for you guys. I might watch Harry Potter later tonight or something. I've been on a big Harry Potter kick. But that's basically how I'm gonna end my night, so yeah. So it is currently Wednesday, September 2nd, and I'm actually going to end today's vlog here. I have some things going on, mostly studying. I'm just realizing like I'm kind of behind a little bit because last week, my first week of college, was so hectic. I really don't want to have extra distractions. Not that YouTube is a distraction, but I really need to just hunker down and focus on school for the next couple days and just get myself caught up. So yeah, I'm ending the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe if you're new so that you don't miss future uploads. And with all that said, I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Oh,